If you're running a business in trade, manufacturing, or construction, you already know the daily reality. You're juggling countless moving parts, from estimating and scheduling to change orders and job costing. But somewhere between the job site and the office, the systems break down. These inefficiencies aren't just frustrating, they drain productivity and profit. You need to focus on performing for your clients, not wrestling with administrative chaos. And that's exactly why I started my company, the Software Maestro. With over 20 years of experience developing personalized solutions, including systems for NASA's human spaceflight programs and high-stake engagements through Booz Allen Hamilton, I'm here to help business owners and project managers like you take control of the chaos with custom solutions that actually work for your world. Let me share a real example. I worked with Concrete Strategies, a leading nationwide concrete company. Just a few years ago, they were a fraction of the size they are today because of their internal process challenges. For starters, every project bid required days of disconnected spreadsheet work, and mistakes were costing them money and credibility. Together, we built a custom cost estimation tool that standardized the process. This resulted in an increased number of job bids submitted, more bids won, reduced errors, and helped them grow into the over $400 million company that it is today. But we didn't stop just there. With all of the new bids won, Concrete Strategies needed a better way to monitor project costs. The situation was so bad that one of their financial managers slept in his office one night per week for years. The new cost management report automation system delivered high-value reports in mere seconds. No more sleeping in the office for Rodney. And then there's OpsSuite, and a comprehensive operations management platform that ties together change orders and quantity tracking. Over 70 people, from project managers all the way up to the COO, depend on its real-time data in order to keep projects on track. It's transformed how they run their business day to day. Here's the thing. These weren't generalized, off-the-shelf solutions. They were built specifically for Concrete Strategies, designed around their actual workflows and their challenges, using their nomenclature and branding, and integrated with their existing systems instead of asking them to abandon their past investment for something new. That's what a custom solution does. It fits your business like a glove, and it evolves with the growth of your company. Maybe you're thinking your situation is different, or you're not even sure what kind of solution you need yet. That's completely okay. Most of my clients start exactly where you are right now. They know something needs to change, but they're not sure what that looks like yet. So here's what I want you to do. Head over to my website and take a look around. Then send me a message. Let's start a conversation. Tell me what's frustrating you, what's taking too much time, and what's holding your business back. Let's talk.